going to show you how to make some psychedelic trance sound effects. So first thing you're going to do is load yourself a sampler right here onto the MIDI track, and next you're going to go into your sample browser, go into samples, components, waveforms, and then components, and then your spectral. And I'm going to use a sawtooth. I think it's more of a traditional psychedelic trance sound. So you can click once to preview these as long as this headphone icon is on. So I'm going to grab the A1, this is the deepest, and just drag that into my sampler. Turn that off there. Alright, now I can jam on the keyboard. What I'm going to do first is turn on the loop so that it'll just keep going as I hold the button. And you can adjust the loop length if you like, but we're just going to dive right into it here. So really the key is to play with the pitch of the sound. So I'm going to turn on this pitch envelope and give it some attack. And then over here in the transpose area, I'm going to turn envelope all the way up or down, in this case up. Now when I press the key, you can see it has that pitch envelope in it. So you can also transpose, so I could go -12 and get a little deeper sound, or I could go +12 and get something like that. I could change the rate. So there's really a lot of possibilities here. And as a slower sound, you could hear like every little ridge of the sawtooth. It's like, sounds like a chainsaw. So if I turn off the pitch envelope, you can see it's really slow and deep. Now as I move this transpose button, it kind of putters out like as I speed it up. So that's just with the pitch. Now we can turn on the filter, add some filter into that. So I'm going to select the bandpass 24 and give it some resonance and play with the cutoff there. And now I can give it a pitch envelope, the filter envelope, and just turn that up here. You can also use the LFOs. So I'm going to give the pitch an LFO and the filter. You can change the rate. So I'm going to turn the pitch envelope back on. So you can really get some weird effects going on, let alone if I were to add some reverb or delay after this. So I'm going to put a grain delay just for fun. And turn up the feedback. So you can see it can really get interesting. I'm going to turn sync off and play with the time here. So yeah, so it's really unlimited possibilities between all these different effects and the different rates and frequencies you could play with here. So yeah, I hope that you learned something from that. And until next time, I'm DJ Story. Check out my music. Alright, cheers.